Dear friends, today I am showing you very good strategy for swing trading. Basically, this is the Nifty daily chart. This is the Nifty daily chart, and here I use only two indicators. One is MACD and another is RSI, Relative Strength Index. Basically, here I watch divergence and also the positive signal of MACD and also RSI. First of all, this is the candlestick chart. I transfer the chart particularly in line chart, because in line chart I can watch divergence very clearly. This is why I always use line chart. If necessary, then I use candlestick chart. Particularly when use this strategy, this is my just advice. Please apply daily time frame or weekly or monthly. And you may also use the hourly time frame. Here you also observe particularly this point. The Nifty is rising and here is Nifty is falling. But these situations here, no divergence is seen. So here I never take any entry from this point. But here you also observe this histogram of MACD, this top and this top. I am also joining this top. You also realize it. This top, this to this. Just a minute. Also use a trend line. You also follow it nicely. This top to this top, particularly on histogram. Particularly on history. Here you also watch. Just here you also see that this top to this top. Okay. And here you also observe this trend line. This is the full flat. This line is fully flat. But here you also draw another trend line from this point to this point. You can observe it. This line is high, but this is his flat line, fully flat. MACD. Here I have drawn the line from the top of histogram, from the top of the histogram. He also observed this is the high, but this is the flat, and here also MACD line cross the signal line. So the stock movement you also watch. So just a minute. Stock movement, the watch this point. Just a minute. Here also watch it. Very good sign, and you may use particularly in any other stocks. Suppose here I've taken another stock. Suppose I'm taking Lupin. This portion you also watch. First of all, I saw the divergence of MACD histogram, and besides it we have to follow three types of divergence. One is divergence on RSI, another is divergence is on histogram, another divergence is also on MACD line. The first of all, I have also seen the divergence on MACD. Now I am seeing the divergence of RSI. Suppose you also watch this point. Very good. This is the Lupin daily chart. This side and this side. This side and this side. Very good system. Suppose just I am drawing a trend line from this point to this point. Next, I've drawn another trend line from this point to this point. Okay. Here you also see the line is higher high, but this is the flat. Also watch it deeply. Besides this, MACD line cross the signal line. Follow the movement. If you take the stock from this point, that is here the candle is 935 to 965. Suppose you have taken the 950, the stock rises to 1122. Huge profit. Double confirmation, divergence and MACD line also cross the signal line. So this is the very good strategy, and if you use divergence properly and also take the MACD, then your profit will be very rises. Very good signal. This is higher high, this is higher low. MACD line causes signal line, stock rises high. Okay. You also see another point. I am also seeing this point here, this point. I am showing you this point. Okay, and also take another this. Just a minute, this point. This is the flat, this is lower low. The stock is here. Just if you take entry from here, if the MACD line crosses the signal line, stock rises. If you take entry, just a minute, if you take entry from here, suppose this point is 843 low, 862 high. Suppose you take entry 850, then stock rises to 924. Very good profit. And so if you can apply this strategy, then your success rate will be very high. You may backtest any other graphs. You can. So you also watch that this strategy is very fruitful. I never tell you that you can use this strategy blindly. First of all, you you take 2, 3, at least 10 stocks for backtest, and after satisfaction is comes to your mind, then you can apply this strategy and you will get the very good profit from this strategy. So friends, no more today. This is my request, please subscribe the channel. If I get any new and also fruitful strategy, then it will reach to your YouTube accounts very swiftly. Thank you friends.